Hi guys, and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I'm bringing you a very special palette, and the reason that I think this is a special palette is because it's a palette that's actually been brought out by a YouTuber. Now I know we get lots of collaborations like Nikki Tutorials etc, where she done like a collaboration with Too Faced, and she also done a collaboration with Ofra. You've also got Soph, of course, who's done a palette with Makeup Revolution. You've also got Carly Bible that has done a collaboration palette with BH Cosmetics. But this is a palette that's been brought out by a YouTuber that is just by her. It's not a collaboration. You probably guessed already who I'm talking about. Well, you're going to know who I'm talking about already, aren't you? Because you've seen it in the title. And you're obviously watching this because you're interested. But yeah, the palette that I want to talk to you about today is one that it's actually come in from the States. I was lucky enough to be sent a notification from Beauty Bay to say that this was actually 50% off, and I ordered this on Friday last week and it's arrived yesterday, which was Monday, and I got it on the free postage because I spent over £15. Now this palette ordinarily is £35, but I got this at 50% off, so I only paid £17.50 for it. Which, do you know what? Part of me was like, do I really need it? Do I want it? Well, I want it. Do I need it? I don't need it, but the want just outweighed the I don't need it because I really wanted it. And that is the Laura Lee palette. Now, well, I've already taken it out of the box, but look at the packaging on this for a start. I mean, it is just absolutely beautiful. It is just so classy looking. It is gorgeous. I love the roses on the box. This is Cat's Pajamas, by the way, by Laura Lee, in Los Angeles. It's a £10 palette, so you're basically looking at each of the shadows are costing £1.75, or if you're paying full price they're £3.50 each, which I think for a high-end product isn't that bad. It says that it's cruelty free, recycled packaging. It doesn't tell you. Net weight is 23 grams, so basically each pan is 2.3 grams each. So let's have a look at the actual palette itself. The palette itself is gorgeous. I mean, I don't know if you can see this or not, but just look at the glitter, and there's no rough feel at all to it. It's a cardboard, but it's a thick, durable cardboard, and the Laura Lee is in like it's on a pink glitter background. I really like this. And also on the spine, if I can get this away up properly, on the spine you have a little kitty cat with some stars. I don't know if you can see, but this is absolutely beautiful. And it's got on the back here, distributed by Laura Lee Los Angeles, Chatsworth CA 91311, made in the USA, trademark at Laura Lee, etc. And it's got her Instagram on there, which is Laura Lee Los Angeles. You've also got her YouTube, which is Laura 88 Lee. Is it 88 Lee or 86 Lee? And again, the recycled. Now, that's something I've just noticed. It says on the back of the box, used within 12 months, but it says on the back of the palette, used within 24 months. It's a bit bizarre, isn't it? That's conflicting information. Anyway, moving swiftly on. Packaging on the inside. On the inside you get a very thick piece of plastic to protect obviously your shadows from the mirror. You do get a mirror inside, as you can see, and it's done in the same sort of style as Too Faced, where they have like a cut out cardboard, but I love the rose detail. I don't know if you can see, sorry, you can see my camera equipment, the rose detail around the outside, and it follows through to the actual palette itself. So it's very, very pretty. You also have all the names on the inside of the palette as well. Let me just cover this up so that you can see. So yeah, you have all your names written down on the palette. And I think they're quite cute names, actually quite cutesy. So you've got Okie Dokie, that's, oh, where did I go? Okie Dokie, which I think is a really good colour to lay down as your base. You've got Scatterbrain, which looks like it could be a foil, but it's definitely a shimmer. Bomb Diggity, which is a good transition shade. Cray Cray, which is a slightly warmer, deeper, like crease shade. Then you have Redonkulous, which is another shimmer over here. Then we have Quirky, which is a beautiful, beautiful, like really deep mauve, plummy colour. Then we have Kooky, and this is another matte, which would be really, really good for like the outer corner. Then we have In One Ear, which is another shimmer, which is a beautiful red colour. Out of the Other, which is like a purple shimmer. And then we have Oddball, which is like a black matte, but it looks like, if I can get this up close enough, it looks like that there is slight shimmer running through. There's like a slight sparkle, like a glitter. Can you see that? So those are the colours up close. Now we'll cut through to an up close of it properly. Close up, you guys are going to want swatches, aren't you? And you're going to want to know how these feel. So, it would be rude not to, wouldn't it? I don't really want to, because this is such a pretty palette. Okay, here goes. So, oh, that's that's very silky. Oh, look how pigmented that is. That's pretty good. That is pretty good, actually. Then we have this beautiful shimmer here, which is Scatterbrain. Oh no, that feels beautiful. That feels so silky and smooth. Let me just bring that up so you can have a look. That is so pretty. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. That is like a very pale gold colour. Then we have Bomb Diggity, which is this colour here, which is fairly pigmented. We have Cray Cray. So those are the two matte colours there. they've not swatched necessarily fantastic. In fact, they've not swatched that great at all. I'm just gonna just go in again, just that's better. Then we have this other shimmer on the end, which is Redonkulous, which is like a copper shimmer. This one doesn't feel as soft as the gold. There is that shimmer. That is beautiful. Look at that. That's really metallic. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. That is so beautiful. Okay, so now down at the bottom row. So the bottom row we've got Quirky, which is this, looks like a satiny shimmer. Yeah, it is a satin, which is like a, I think it's showing the light. It's very, very pretty. Very deep. And that feels so nice. It's just very, very buttery. Then we have this gorgeous matte colour here, which is Kooky, which is a lovely, lovely sort of maroony purpley colour. Do I tell you what, the mattes don't swatch as well as I was expecting them to, actually. Then we have In One Ear, which is this gorgeous, gorgeous shimmer. It's a very, very beautiful, luxurious coloured shimmer. The shimmer's definitely swatched much better than the mattes. That is gorgeous. Then we have this deep colour, which is out of the other. So that was In One Ear, this is out of the other. And this is like, again, it's got this shimmer through it. It's like, it's beautiful. Look at this. Come up close if you can see this like gold fleck. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but that is beautiful. Tell you what's definitely pigmented, this palette. Definitely pigmented. And then we have this gorgeous black as well on the end, which has got, as I said before, it's got this shimmer or gold fleck running through it as well, which you can actually see on my finger. Let's just see how this swatch. Whoa. That's fairly dark, isn't it? Okay, so those are the colours. Funny, odd looking swatches, aren't they? Very odd. Lovely colour selection. I really, really like this colour selection. It's very, very beautiful. And it's absolutely gorgeous for autumnal and also Christmassy time. I really like that. That's really, really pretty. So, if you guys would like me to do a proper review on this and actually do like a look and see how it goes on during the day, just let me know and I will do one for you. I'll do one. Sometimes people think it would be a good idea for me to do one. But first impressions so far, like of unboxing it and actually having a proper look at it, I think it's really, really pretty. I love the packaging. It feels heavy. It's very, very attractive. It's very girly. It's very professional. And I think that I'm going to absolutely love it. I really do. So let's just have a look and see how these blend, see if the blendability is any good on these. Tell you what, that matte is blending really nicely. That is blending right out, so nice. Look at that, that is just lovely. We'll see how the black blends out. Because I always think that is the trick, isn't it? If you've got the really dark colours that blend nice without becoming muddy at all. Yeah, see, that's lovely. And then you've got this mauvey plum colour. Again, blends out really, really nice. I'll tell you what, that it blends out nice, but it isn't half pigment. It's really sort of stuck well there. But yeah, overall, I am impressed. I am really, really, really impressed. I love this. I love the shimmer. I mean, look, I've just picked that up of my arm so that I can re-swatch it again on my hand. That's pretty good going. I think I'm going to love this palette. I really do think I'm going to love this palette. So, can't really give a proper verdict until I've tried it, but so far I really love it. I think the attention to detail is really good. I just think it's extremely pretty. As I said, the only thing that does concern me is it says on the box that it needs to be used within 24 months, but on the packaging it says 12, no, sorry, I got that the wrong way around. On the packaging that it comes in, it says used within 12 months, but on the palette itself it says used within 24. Most people chuck the boxes away, so I'm going to take what's on this as being read. So yeah, I mean, I wish I could sort of like explain to you how heavy this actually feels, but it does feel very heavy. I mean, it's quite thick, but I love this rose detail. Excuse me, love this rose detail. It's just really lovely. I just think the whole thing has just been really thought out well, and I love the name of it as well, Cat's Pajamas. I've never seen a cat wear pyjamas. Bet that would be interesting. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you do want to see me use the palette and see how I get on, please do say. Please comment below and I will be more than happy to do that for you. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed already, then please do. If you liked the video, then press the thumbs up. If you'd like to leave a comment, then please write a comment down below, and if you'd like to get in touch, all the details will be in the information that I have supplied underneath the video. And I will see you on the next video. So ta-ta for now. Mwah. Bye!